Hi, my name is Janet from the Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English here in my lovely province. I have been teaching English for almost 10 years. I can speak English, Filipino, and Ilocano in a neutral accent. I teach different ages and levels. I am approachable and friendly because I love meeting new people and learn about different cultures. I love teaching and sharing the knowledge the best I can. My goal is to make the lessons and discussions full of fun and interactive, since the lessons are light and easy. These are customized based on the learner's level of understanding. I am a patient, dedicated, and compassionate teacher. I encourage the learners to express and share their ideas freely and remind them that there is always a room for improvement. We learn in our own mistakes. Dahil ang bawat isa sa atin ay natatanging, may kanya-kanyang kahinaan at kalakasan. Kaya ang bawat mag-aaral ay pakitunguhan ayon sa kanilang pagkakaiba gamit ang iba't ibang estratehiya at pamamaraan sa pagtuturo. Ibagam laing kanyak no anya ti kayat mo nga masusuwan, kapno maitag ko iti kalidad na pinagturo, ken naragsak na pinagagan. I will assist you in every step of the way to develop your skills in oral and written and be able to use in your daily communication. During my leisure time, I love reading novels, short stories, and others, and also planting and maintaining my plants. I am excited to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye and good day.